and welcome to Turn of Speed. I'm Rachna Tyagi. Today we are here at Mahindra's Freedom New event where Mahindra has just showcased their 4 brand new concepts on their brand new platform. And we're going to take you through each one of these concepts. There is the Vision S, the Vision T, the Vision SXT and the Vision X. So stay tuned while we walk you through each one of them.
Mahindra's Vision S, Vision T, Vision SXT and Vision X are all based on the company's latest platform called New iQ.
4 different concepts in 4 different colors. Stay tuned as we walk you through each one of them.
Coming up first from today's lineup is the Vision S.
Let's take a look at Vision S. White here with white yellow. And tell me what does this remind you of in the comment section. Of all the 4 concepts displayed today, the Vision S has the most striking body color and we're going to tell you everything about it.
From the first look, the Vision S in true Mahindra style looks like a really rugged off-roader. The front fascia is really captivating, with all those LED lamps in different shapes and sizes. There are vertical LED lamps and rectangular ones as well. Below, you get a massive black-colored bumper which has 4 beautiful square-shaped LED fog lamps neatly integrated into it. The wheel arches sport a unique shape and the wheels get a combination of matte black and glossy black alloys. On the side, there is extra thick cladding and you also get some really cool looking ORVMs. The side also sports a jerry can. This is on one side and a mini ladder on the other side. At the rear, there is a spare tire that is securely mounted to the tailgate. And the tail lamps, similar to the ones at the front, look really cool. And don't forget to check out the roof rails on the Vision S. Next, let's take a closer look at their other blockbuster SUV, the Vision T.
Of all the 4 concepts that have been unveiled today, this behind me is the Vision T or the Vision car. And this is probably what you're going to be looking at if you're going to be a potential car customer in the coming year. Stay tuned for more details.
As you can tell by looking at the Vision T, this here is an enormous looking SUV. The front fascia boasts a massive grille with slats and rectangular elements in it. Below, what you get is a ginormous bumper with a skid plate and a tow hook, giving the SUV a really hardy look. Overall, the Vision T gets a very chiseled look. And in true Thar style, it continues to get those sturdy hinges on its doors. Of course, those dual-toned alloys on this massive SUV are not something that you're going to forget in a hurry. And while at it, don't forget to check out the cladding and the side step. Not to mention the unique treatment of that quarter glass. At the rear, you get a spare wheel that has been mounted onto the tailgate. And the tail lamps get a similar treatment like the headlamps up front. The treatment of the bumper, like the front, continues at the rear as well. On the side, just beside the quarter glass, you can see a jerry can that has been mounted there, making the Vision T ready for any kind of adventure on almost any kind of terrain. We also quite like the decal with the arrow shape on the front door and those yellow colored bonnet latches. And that, friends, was the Vision T just for you. Next, it was time for the pièce de résistance, the Vision SXT.
Looking for some outdoor adventure? Well, in 2027, the Vision SXT could just be the answer for all your wild wanderings
and getting your kicks when you're out there. The Vision SXT in this Canyon Glow color with those vibrant decals on the front door looks really striking. While the Vision SXT does bear a resemblance to the Vision T, especially in terms of the well-chiseled body, it looks dramatically different at the rear. What you get at the rear is a beautifully designed cargo bed, which, for demonstration purposes today, has 2 mountain tires. And you can't miss those sturdy roll bars that also lend a pickup element to the Vision SXT. While there is some similarity on the sides to the Vision T, the front fascia distinguishes the Vision SXT distinctly from the Vision T.
Now the Vision SXT is all about raw, rugged appeal. Do let us know what you think of this Vision SXT in the comment section below. And friends, they are not all macho, muscular looking SUVs. There is a softer one as well. The Vision X, for instance.
The Vision X is the baby SUV amongst the other SUVs that have been showcased today. However, make no mistake, this is an equally strong SUV from the Mahindra stables that we will soon be seeing on Indian as well as foreign roads. The front fascia, which is split into 2 levels, has the DRLs and the Mahindra logo on the top, and the beautiful grille and the skid plate below it. The long bonnet with those gorgeous crease lines blending into that beautiful nose indeed add to the Vision X's appeal. Also, don't forget to check out those cuts and creases on the side doors. Simply stunning. And those alloys? How do I even begin to describe them? Simply out of this world. But what is truly captivating on the Vision X is that scintillating rear. From the spoiler to the coast-to-coast LED strip that enhances the tail lamps, the generous use of that piano black finish that runs from the wheel arches to the fender, to that silver skid plate. Every detail looks remarkable, making the Vision X look like an absolute standout product.
Come 2027 and all these 4 concepts are going to become a reality, and very soon you will find yourself driving one of these absolutely spectacular SUVs on Indian roads. And so friends, you've seen Mahindra's 4 rugged beauties in their concept avatars today. We want you to tell us which one you've liked best. Don't forget to let us know in the comment section below. And while at it, don't forget to subscribe to Turn of Speed. See you in the next one. Ciao.